Hello guys, welcome back to Knitting Catalog. I'm happy to be in your space today. So today I want to share with you how to knit slip pattern in two colors. In knitting slip pattern in two color, you have to fix your card, and I've already fixed my card 12, and card 12 is going to give me another different design from what we used to know card 12 for. When you do card 12, you knit card 12 in fair fishly, this is what you will get. But in knitting it in slip pattern two color is going to be different from what we have here. So I've already knitted some row, fix my card, knitted some row. So what you need to do is to turn this way and knit one row to give your machine information that you are knitting in card. So you can see it has selected the pins out according to the design that I'm having in that punch card. So the next thing to do again is to press these two buttons together. You can see, so you just press them together. So this is slip pattern button. Then after you have to be changing your yarn after knitting two rows. So I'm going to use two colors, so I'm going to be interchanging these colors of yarn. After knitting two rows, I'm going to change it to another color and knit two rows till the required length that I needed. So let's go ahead and do this. So right now I'm going to remove this yarn and use my second color. Then I'm going to knit two rows. 1, 2. Then I'm going to remove it. Then grab this. Then I'm going to knit another 2 rows. So I'm going to be continuing interchanging this my color to knit this slip pattern in two colors. So by the time we'll get to the public side of this knitting, you are going to be amazed to see what we have, entirely different from what we used to know card 12 for. So that's how slip pattern works. It's going to give you amazing. Yeah guys, this is what we have after knitting some few rows of slip pattern in two colors. So simple to knit, just so simple. So this is the same card in fair fishly, and this is the same card in slip pattern two colors. I hope you really enjoyed this video and you'll find time to practice this or use it for any of your projects. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, inform family and friends about my channel. See you next time. Bye.